Now student, you are running chapter coordinate geometry exercise 7.2. Here we discuss now here question number 5. This is a very important question in the point of examination point of view. Find a ratio in which the line segment A's coordinates is given. A's coordinates given 1, -5, and B's coordinates here given that -4, 5 is divided by the x-axis. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. Clear? तो इसमें क्या करें कि find the ratio. ठीक, कोई लाइन सेगमेंट्स है ए बी. तो फर्स्ट वी ड्रा लाइन सेगमेंट ए बी. Here is line segment AB. A and B. A's coordinates here they given that 1, -5, and B's coordinates given here -4, 5. -4, 5. Clear? Here is the 2 points. ठीक, is divided by x-axis. Also find. So is divided by x-axis. Clear? तो यहाँ पे हम x-axis divided by, तो let here the point P. x-axis divided अगर पूछा है तो हम वहाँ पे x की वैल्यू लेंगे and y की वैल्यू हम क्या ले लेंगे 0. Clear? तो let the solution here. Solution हमारा जो होगा solution. तो first we write now. Let the required ratio. Let the required ratio. Let the required ratio here. We get here the ratio B. K ratio 1. Clear? हमने required ratio को हमने मान लिया कि K ratio 1 है. Clear? Then by the applying section formula, then applying the section formula, then applying the section formula. Clear? Of the points of the point which point here which divides AB. अब AB को पॉइंट्स कौन सा कि डिवाइड कर रहा है. ठीक, in the ratio of K ratio 1. Clear? Now look here. So then use here the section formula. So what we get here? Section formula here. What we get? M1 M into x2 plus n into x1. This one is right now. So this one is right now. Section formula. What we write here? M x2 plus n x1 by m plus n, and for y m y2 plus n y1 m plus n. Clear? And for x which divide point P, so here is x 0. Clear? Now find that m here is, this one is a K ratio 1. M is equal to K and n is equal to 1. Clear? So put here m is k, and x2. So x2 here minus 4, multiply minus 4 plus n here is 1 and x1 here is 1 and k plus 1, this one, clear? And here m is equal to k and y2 here into 5 plus n is equal to 1 and y1 here is given that minus 5 upon what we write here, k plus 1, clear? X 0. Now look here, now look that here, what we get here, minus 4k plus 1, k plus 1, this one is the x portion, and y is here 5k minus 5 k plus 1, k plus 1 is equal to x0. This one is clear. Now look that here, y portion here, clear? Y portion, y is here, y is 0 and 5k minus 5 upon k plus 1. When we cross multiply this one, so what we get? This one is 0 and 5k minus 5 is equal to 0. So 5k is equal to 5. So k is equal to here 5 by 5. We get here 1. What we get here? K is equal to 1. So that the ratio is so the ratio is 1:1. So the ratio is here 1:1. Clear? This point is clear? Now discuss next point here. Putting the value of k in the first equation. This one is the first. This one is the first equation. Right here. This one is the first equation. Clear? The first equation. Now here. Putting the value of k. Putting the value of k in equation first. Putting the value of k in equation first. So here is equation first and to put the value of k. So what we get here? Now look here. Minus 4 into 5. K's value is 1. 1 plus 1. K is 1 plus 1. And this one is a 5 into 1 minus 5. And 1 plus 1 is equal to here. What we get here? X here this portion is 0, x 0. So this portion now here 0. So we write here minus 4 plus 1 by 2, 0 and equal to x 0. So this portion is Now going to 0, so what we get here? Minus 3 by 2 is equal to x. The x is equal to minus 3 by 2. So coordinates of point P. So the coordinates of the point P. So the coordinates of point P. The coordinates of the point P here, what we get here? X value is here minus 3 by 2 and y is here 0. Clear? Hence true. This one is a complete now. Clear? Now we discuss here next question of this exercise. Now here question number 6 of the coordinate geometry. Here question number 6 here given. If 1, 2, 4y, x6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of the parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. Taken in order, find x and y. Clear? तो यहाँ पे क्या कर रहा है कि एक पैरेललोग्राम है. Here this one is a parallelogram. You know that parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal and the parallel. ठीक है? Here is given the parallelogram. Right now E, B, C and D, and their coordinates also given here. 1, 2. B's coordinate here 4y, C's coordinate here x6 and D's coordinates here given 3, 5. Here this portion is clear, and we know that diagonal of a parallelogram, diagonal of the parallelogram AC and BD bisect each other. Bisect each other. अगर ये एक दूसरे को क्या करते हैं? Bisect करते हैं, divide करते हैं to equal parts में. Clear? Bisect to each other. O, so O is the midpoint. Let here the solution. Diagonal AC and BD bisect each other at point O. Bisect to each other at point O. So O is the midpoint. O is the midpoint of AC and BD and BD. तो O क्या हो गया? midpoint हो गया AC और BD का. AC और BD का O is the midpoint. Now look here. So when AC is diagonal, the AC diagonal है, clear? तो AC is diagonal, तो coordinates of O, तो O के coordinates क्या होंगे? हमें क्या निकालना है? Midpoint. Clear? Midpoint here. तो midpoint formula है, you know that? What is the midpoint formula? Use here the midpoint formula. ठीक? तो when AC is the diagonal, right here, when AC is the diagonal, clear? coordinates of O. So the coordinates of O coordinates of O. So this one here, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So here x1 is x plus 1 by 2 and y1 plus y2, so y1 6 plus x2 plus x1 by 2 plus y2 plus y1 by 2. Clear? So these are the coordinates of point O. Clear? When BD is the diagonal of here, when BD is the diagonal so the coordinates of O के कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या होंगे? BD हो रहा है, here O's coordinates here 3 plus 4 by 2 and 5 plus y by 2. These are the coordinates of O when BD is diagonal and O is the midpoint. Clear? As O is the midpoint of AC and BD both. तो इससे ये प्रूव हो गया as O is the midpoint of AC and BD. Clear? So O is the midpoint of AC and BD. Clear? Now look here. x1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to, or the D is here 4 plus 3 by 2 and next one here 5 plus 5 by 2 equal to 6 plus 2 by 2. Clear? So here we find that x plus 1 is equal to 7. The x is equal to 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. The x is equal to 6 and here 5 plus y is equal to 6 plus 2. So 5 plus y is equal to 8. So y is equal to 8 minus 5. So y is equal to, we get here 3. Clear? So x is 3, y is 3, x is equal to 6. Answer here. X is equal to 6 and y is equal to here 3. This question is clear. Now see the question number 7 here. Question number 7. Now here question number 7. Question number 7 here given. Find the coordinates of point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2, -3 and B is here 1,4. So let here the solution of this problem. Find the coordinates of point A whose AB is the diameter of a circle. First we draw a circle. This one is the circle. Clear? And what's in AB? AB is the diameter. A and B is the diameter. Clear? Find the coordinates of point A. तो A के हमें coordinates find करना है तो let here x and y. And O is the center. O is the center here of a circle whose center is 2, 3. Center coordinates here 2 minus 3. And B's coordinates is given here 1, 4. Clear? This one is your question. Clear? So O is the midpoint of AB. So O is the midpoint of AB. O क्या हो गया? AB का midpoint हो गया. So the coordinates of O. So the coordinates of O this one is right. So here use here the midpoint. Clear? So x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y1 plus y2 by 2. Here is given that x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y by 2. Clear? And this here 2 minus 3. Clear? 2 minus 3. So x1 here is given that x1 is x and x2 here is given that 1 by 2 and y1 here is given that y and y2 here is given that 4 by 2. This one 2 minus 3. Clear? 2 and minus 3. Now find this one. X and y. So x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2. Clear? So what we get here? Cross multiplication. X plus 1 is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 minus 1. We get 3. The x is equal to 3. Clear? Similarly, y plus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 3. So what we get here? Cross multiplication. Y plus 4 is equal to minus 6. So y is equal to minus 6 minus 4. So y is equal to minus 10. Y is equal to minus 10. So the coordinates of A. So the coordinates of A so the coordinates of A here 3 minus 10 your answer. 3 minus 10 is your answer. Okay? Now